Life in Anthem, Arizona, is all about enjoying sunshine, scenic desert views, and the relaxed indoor-outdoor lifestyle that makes the Southwest so appealing. Whether you're hosting gatherings on the patio, savoring quiet mornings with mountain views, or simply appreciating the warm Arizona air, your home's connection to the outdoors plays a big role in how you live. That's why more Anthem homeowners are upgrading their spaces with new door installations designed to blur the lines between inside and outside living. From stylish patio doors to expansive glass sliding systems, today's door designs bring natural light, ventilation, and beauty together, creating homes that feel brighter, larger, and more inviting. Here's how the right door installation can transform your Anthem home into the perfect indoor-outdoor retreat. Bringing the outdoors in with expansive glass doors. Anthem's sunny climate makes it ideal for open, light-filled designs. Modern door installations, especially sliding glass, French, and multi-panel patio doors, allow you to take full advantage of the natural light and views just outside your home. These doors feature wide glass panels that frame stunning desert landscapes, garden patios, or mountain vistas, making the outdoors an integral part of your interior design. Even when closed, they create a sense of openness and connection, filling your home with daylight and eliminating the feeling of separation between spaces. With custom sizing and configurations, homeowners can choose from doors that span entire walls or smaller models that fit cozy layouts while still maintaining that airy, light-filled feel. Creating effortless flow between indoor and outdoor spaces. One of the biggest benefits of installing new doors is the seamless flow they create between your interior and exterior living areas. Sliding or folding glass doors glide open smoothly, instantly merging your living room, kitchen, or dining area with your patio, deck, or pool space. This continuous transition makes entertaining easier and more enjoyable. Guests can move freely between inside and outside areas, making every gathering feel more open and relaxed. Even during quiet evenings, the transition encourages you to use your outdoor space more often, whether for dining, reading, or simply soaking in the view. For Anthem homes that embrace open concept layouts, this design approach perfectly complements the indoor-outdoor lifestyle the region is known for. Maximizing natural light and energy efficiency. In Anthem's bright desert environment, natural light is one of your home's greatest assets. New door installations are designed with high-performance glass and energy-efficient technology, allowing you to enjoy sunlight without sacrificing comfort or efficiency. Energy-efficient features like low-E coatings, dual-pane glass, and insulated frames help block UV rays and heat transfer, keeping your home cool during summer and warm in winter. You'll benefit from lower energy bills and more consistent indoor temperatures, all while filling your home with natural light that enhances mood and well-being. The result is a home that feels both brighter and more comfortable year-round, perfectly suited for Anthem's climate. Enhancing style and modern appeal. A new door installation isn't just functional, it's also a major design upgrade. Modern doors come in a wide range of styles, finishes, and materials, allowing Anthem homeowners to match their architecture and personal taste. Sliding glass doors offer a sleek, modern aesthetic. French doors add timeless elegance with a touch of classic charm. Bifold or multi-slide systems create a dramatic wall-to-wall opening for luxury living spaces. You can also choose from custom frame colors, hardware options, and glass designs to perfectly complement your home's existing decor. These upgrades not only improve your home's aesthetic but also enhance its curb appeal and resale value. Improving comfort and livability. Seamless indoor-outdoor door systems do more than connect spaces, they improve the way your home feels and functions. Fresh air, natural light, and unobstructed views all contribute to a more comfortable, welcoming environment. With doors that open easily and seal tightly, you'll enjoy better ventilation, noise reduction, and temperature control, key factors for year-round comfort in the desert climate. Whether you're enjoying a cool evening breeze or admiring the sunset from your living room, these doors make every day in Anthem feel more open and connected to the outdoors. Professional installation. For long-lasting results. To fully experience the benefits of your new doors, professional installation is essential. Local Anthem experts understand the region's weather, building codes, and architectural styles, ensuring your doors are properly sealed, secure, and built to withstand heat, dust, and seasonal winds. A well-installed door not only enhances beauty and function but also guarantees energy efficiency and long-term durability. Final thoughts in Anthem. Where outdoor living is part of everyday life, new door installations offer the perfect way to bring nature, light, and luxury together. With the right design and professional installation, you can transform your home into a bright, breezy, and beautifully connected living space that celebrates the best of indoor-outdoor living. From morning sunshine to evening gatherings under the stars, your new doors will make your Anthem home feel more open, elegant, and effortlessly in tune with its surroundings.